Have you ever felt stuck, like your goals are just out of reach? Do you yearn for a better life but are unsure how to achieve it? You're not alone. The good news is you can overcome these challenges. By mastering the art of visualization, you can unlock a life of abundance, success, and fulfillment. Imagine being able to rewrite the code of your subconscious mind, steering your life toward your dreams with the precision of a master programmer. This isn't about daydreaming, it's about creating a tangible, impactful reality. Visualization and imagination are potent tools for manifesting desires and achieving goals. Neville Goddard, a renowned teacher of metaphysical concepts, outlined several techniques to harness these powers. By incorporating these techniques into your daily life, you can align your thoughts and actions with your deepest desires, leading to profound and lasting changes. Stay with us until the end, as the techniques will get more powerful and impactful as we progress. Now let's get started. The I Remember When technique helps you transition into a new state by imagining from the wish fulfilled and recalling the previous state. This technique creates a sense of movement from an undesired state to a desired one, reinforcing the belief that your current state is already different. Use this phrase to create a sense of past tense about your current reality, implying that your desired state is now your present. For instance, I remember when I used to drive an old Toyota, and now I have this new Porsche with a model laying on the hood. Perhaps that's a bit much, but this technique helps solidify the new reality by making the old one seem distant and irrelevant. The congratulations technique is another that anchors your desired outcome into your subconscious. It involves imagining a congratulatory scene from another person to you, implying that your wish has been fulfilled. It leverages the power of social validation and external acknowledgement to reinforce your belief in the manifestation. Visualize someone congratulating you on achieving your desire. For example, picture a friend saying, "Congratulations on your new job." This reinforces the belief that your wish is already a reality, using the external perspective to solidify the internal belief. You can also use fast forwarding, which allows you to move forward in time to experience your wish fulfilled. This technique helps you to mentally live in your desired future, creating a strong emotional connection to it and making it feel more real. In the morning, fast forward to bedtime and imagine the great day you just had, filled with specific details or general positive experiences. Alternatively, project yourself 10 years into the future, experiencing a wonderful marriage with 2 children, for example. This practice helps bridge the gap between your current state and your desired future, making the latter feel more attainable. The eavesdropping technique is a favorite of mine. Imagine overhearing 2 or more people discussing you having your wish fulfilled. This technique uses indirect validation and external viewpoints to reinforce your belief in the realization of your desires. Create a mental scenario where you overhear a conversation about your success. For instance, imagine hearing, "Look how amazing she looks. She lost that weight so easily." The there, here, and then now technique is easier to do than it is to say. This technique involves making there, here, and then now by experiencing your desired location and time as your current reality. It helps break the perceived barriers of time and space, bringing your future desires into the present moment. If you are in location X, imagine you are in location Y, and from Y, think of X. Similarly, experience the present moment as if your future desires have already been fulfilled. For example, if you desire to live in a different city, imagine your current environment as if it were that city, making the future state feel like the present reality. This is similar to the I Remember When technique. Both techniques help align your subconscious mind with your desired reality, but they use different approaches to achieve this alignment. I Remember When uses the power of retrospective visualization, while There, Here, Then, Now uses the power of spatial and temporal visualization. Both are powerful. Choose whatever suits you. Revision is another incredibly powerful technique. It's the practice of reimagining any memory or recent event that does not align with your ideal outcome. This technique involves mentally altering past events to fit your desired reality. It is based on the principle that memory is imagination, and by changing our past in our minds, we can influence our present and future. Bad day, bad romance, bad childhood? Change it. Some push back on this technique, but would you rather feel happy and move on from negativity than have it drain you or limit you? Throughout the day, whenever you encounter a negative memory or recent event, revise it in your mind to a more favorable version. For example, if you had a challenging meeting, imagine it went smoothly and successfully. Make this a habit, particularly focusing on revising your entire day before going to sleep. This practice helps cleanse your subconscious mind of negative experiences and replaces them with positive ones, creating a more favorable foundation for future manifestations. The I Become You technique involves becoming someone else who experiences you with your wish fulfilled. This method helps you view your desired state from an external perspective, reinforcing the belief in its reality. Visualize yourself as another person observing you with your desire already achieved. For instance, imagine being your friend or boss seeing you happily in your dream job. This external perspective can provide a fresh and convincing angle on your manifestation, making it feel more real and attainable. The Isn't It Wonderful technique. When a desire comes to mind, quickly follow it with "Isn't it wonderful?" or "Thank you." This technique helps you immediately associate your desires with feelings of gratitude and fulfillment, reinforcing the belief that they are already realized. The How Did I Know technique involves asking yourself how you became successful in achieving your wish, in the past tense. This method helps you think from the end, eliciting the feeling and experience of having already achieved your desire. Ask yourself, how did I become so successful at achieving my wish fulfilled effortlessly and easily? This elicits the feeling and experience of having already achieved your desire rather than seeking an answer. This technique helps solidify the belief that your goal is already accomplished, reinforcing your confidence and alignment with your desired outcome. The state akin to sleep technique uses the state you enter when you are daydreaming or in a relaxed, pre-sleep stage. It involves intentionally entering this state to visualize your desired outcome. Intentionally enter this relaxed state by lying down, closing your eyes, and focusing on your breathing. Once in this state, visualize your desired outcome as if it is happening right now. The key is to feel the reality of your wish fulfilled. This state makes your subconscious mind more receptive to your visualizations, increasing their effectiveness. You can use this when you are actually going to sleep or anytime you want to mold your subconscious with your desires. Now here is a powerful technique. Use the language of God. Use the I Am mantra to affirm your desired state. For example, before going to bed, repeat, I am successful, I am healthy, or I am loved. This practice helps you internalize your desires, making them a part of your identity and aligning your subconscious mind with your goals. There is no more powerful driver of success or failure than who you believe you are. If you want to watch our video on the power of these two words, you can get it here. Taking it a step farther, the first principle is the practice of being still and recognizing your divine power. Be still and know that I am God. This principle helps you center yourself, connect with your inner divinity, and align your thoughts with your higher self. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, take a moment to be still and remind yourself, I am God. Use this throughout the day when stressed, confused, angry, tired, or needing a break. This practice helps center your thoughts and realign your focus on your inherent power and potential, providing a sense of calm and empowerment. Neville Goddard's most powerful technique is Feel It Real. This method centers on the principle that feeling is the secret to manifesting your desires. By vividly imagining and emotionally experiencing the reality of your desires, you impress them upon your subconscious mind, making them more likely to manifest in your physical reality. To practice Feel It Real, enter a relaxed state, such as a state akin to sleep or just before actual sleep. Close your eyes and vividly imagine a scene that implies your wish is fulfilled. Engage all your senses. See the scene, hear the sounds, feel the textures, and most importantly, experience the emotions associated with your fulfilled desire. For example, if you want a new job, imagine yourself in your new office, feeling the excitement and satisfaction of having achieved your goal. The key is to make the experience as real and vivid as possible, fully immersing yourself in the emotions of the desired state. By practicing these techniques, you can harness the power of visualization and imagination to transform your life. Each technique offers a unique approach to embedding your desires into your subconscious mind, aligning your thoughts and actions with your goals, and ultimately manifesting your dreams into reality. Start with the simpler techniques and gradually incorporate the more powerful ones to deepen your practice and enhance your manifesting abilities. Your journey to a life of abundance, success, and fulfillment begins now. To amplify your manifesting power even further, be sure to watch our video on Neville Goddard's Law of Assumption. This principle will enhance your understanding and application of the techniques you've learned today. Remember, the key to transformation lies in consistent practice and belief. So make sure to use the principles you've learned today to create the life you've always dreamed of. And do consider subscribing for more life-changing content.